Hi, thanks for joining me today. I'm Danny from the Glittered Rose. I'm so excited. I've gotten a couple of new collage books and I haven't looked at them. I thought we might look at them together. So they've just arrived and I thought we might do a flip. Okay. So I've got two collage soup books. One is Unleash Your Inner Goddess and this one is Hey Diddle Diddle. So I thought the prices seemed really reasonable. I think this one was a little bit more than the other one. I'll just have a look on my phone. Give me a second. Okay. Um, so this one in Australia cost me $38, and that's a lot thicker than this one. And then this one was $25. So you can sort of tell the difference in the sizes. It's a little bit smaller. So let's go through this one first. Unleash Your Inner Goddess. Oh, the pages. Pages are nice. They're not glossy. Um, yeah. She's beautiful. Some smaller images. Oh wow, look at this. I love it. I'm gonna have to get a larger art journal. Oh, these are beautiful. I like these circles. I will say, and this is something that really annoys me with people using AI, is that they're not right. Like, look at her face. Um, they're also pixely. There are some nice images, but some of them are horrible. Oh wow, look at that. That's gorgeous. Again, their AI is a little off. Her eyes are crooked. The quality of this book is it's outstanding. The paper is so lovely. These are beautiful. But again, I don't know, they're just not right. Oh, this is stunning. Look at this. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, gosh. Okay, so that's a bit iffy. I'm not too sure if I'll be keeping it. Oh dear. So pixely. Oh, some of these images are just gorgeous. They really are. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, celestial. Oh, these are gorgeous. With these. It's like it's been paper quilled. Isn't that beautiful? Pages are very nice. They're very nice quality. It's a nice. Oh, look at these. I think I'll keep this book. I'm not sure about the other one. These are gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. I really like this one. It is a little hit and miss, but I think it's more hit. She's just beautiful. Gorgeous. Yes, I'm happy with this book. And this book is a little, see eyes, like a bit wonky. And I mean, like there are really things that probably shouldn't have made it, like her arm is missing. Her arm is missing. The face is wonky. Oh, that's gorgeous. There are some lovely elements that I think would work, but there are some that just, like this whole page is just so wonky. She's gorgeous. Cool. I think I'm not sure about this one. Look how well thought this is. To enhance your experience with this book and effectively utilize images, follow these steps. Before starting to use your book, warm up the spine with a hairdryer. This softens the binding. Gently open the book wide to crack the spine. This makes it easier to handle. Carefully remove the pages one by one for optimal use. This process ensures that the pages can be taken out cleanly and with ease. What a great idea. I love this book. I think there are lots of great images in this one that I'll use. This one's a little disappointing, but I'll probably keep it as well. All in all, I'm happy with them. I just wish people that use AI would be a little bit more careful with them because, there are some images that are quite unusable. I have nothing against AI. I think you just need to really pick and choose which images you're going to use or sell. So this is cool, like all these elements and everything. It's very cool. Can't wait to use them. Should we try cracking the spine? Should we do it? Let's give it a go. All right, formed up. Let's crack it open, probably in about the middle. And then look. I'll just tear up like that. How amazing is that? That's cool. All right, all in all, I'm pretty happy. Think I'll keep both of them and I'll use them in my art. Some of these are gorgeous, but their eyes are wonky. Not sure if you can tell. Some of them are fine. But I don't know, they're just the colours and something very different for me. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Can't wait to show what I do with them. Make sure you hit the like button. Leave me a comment down below which one was your favourite. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.